guys, it's Vicky from Fangirl Review. Woo, woo, woo. And welcome to my awesome sponsored video. I was able to partner with an amazing yarn company, Darn Good Yarn, to help with my Twitch account. If you haven't followed me, please follow Fangirl Review. I'll put a link below, but definitely I've partnered with them. I'm going to do a quick unboxing so you guys can see all the amazing things. But I'm just going to quickly describe what's in this amazing box. You get the box of a month club, the yarn of the month club, excuse me. So you get a little booklet. It has instructions. Whoop. I wanted unicorn scissors. I have scissors, but you've seen them. They're pretty boring. They give you, obviously you need the hooks if you're going to do a pattern, right? So they gave me knitting needles and crochet hooks. I don't knit, but maybe I'll learn. But they show you how to do either or, whichever one you are interested in. And then the pattern calls for this watercolor. Isn't this pretty? Look how pretty this is. It's watercolor yarn, and I ordered a mermaid yarn. What was it? Mermaid tail. So I actually really look forward to seeing this. But you know what? Here's a quick up close and personal cut of the unboxing so you guys can see it up close. And after that, we're gonna jump into a project. Project they give me is a headband. You also do a cowl, but I know I probably won't wear a cowl as much as a headband, especially like when my hair is back to being curly. So I figured I'll make a headband, and you can check that out. I'm going to put it right here, but also it'll be up on Twitch. So stay tuned for some fun crocheting. Woo! And yeah, but so promo code Fangirl Review 15. That's the promo code if you want 15% off. I'll put the link below for darngoodyarn.com so you guys can check them out. It's woman-owned, ethically sourced yarn. It's amazing. I love it. And also, really, really go and support them. But check them out. Darn Good Yarn, Fangirl Review 15 for 15% off. And make sure, you say that I sent you there, right? Let them know. Let them know what it is. But that's about it. So let's get to crocheting and listen to some music while I crochet. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll be back. Bye. hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, like, subscribe, share. Make sure you use my promo code FangirlReview15. That's good until March 31st, and there might be another code after that, but either way, I'll let you know. And yeah, that's it for me. So I'll see you later. Bye.